Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today video Optitex 3D dummy fitting this style. So this pattern make already okay. This pattern already totally finished. So guys, dummy fitting issue. So correct or non correct, first programs open. So this next work parts mentioned 3D parts load now fast work. So guys, this back part, front part already 3D load. So guys, this pattern is state. So next work this pattern curve, then pele just fitting issue. So advanced color change. So advanced color, my like color. So this color already pattern done. So next work this pattern is state, just curve now. So curve percentage already okay, percentage okay. So back part curve now, front part curve now, already okay, curve okay. So guys, this pattern your dummy correct position now, then stitch make. So this video very helpful beginner person, no skip, continues my video. So first work side seam joint, stitch joint, side seam joint already okay. So two side check now, first side then next side okay. So second work shoulder seam joint, shoulder seam joint now, stitch make now okay. Shoulder seam stitch joint already okay. So next inseam joint, inseam joint. So inseam stitch make now. So okay, look me, this dummy look me. So dummy out, stitch check now, all stitch check, my stitch make okay, my stitch make okay. So dummy load. So just play, look me video. This video very helpful beginners person, just minute wait, already work 3D stitch join running. So guys, this color, any color mention, the step color look me nice and good. This color nice color. So step this fabric color. So dummy out, just check now everything, check now everything, side check now. So down side, left side, right side, so top side okay, already okay. So guys, this is okay, dummy fitting, good fitting. So next color look me, this color some choice, then next color my like color. So next color meshed fabric color tile. So any color open, no problem. You like color, my like color, this color is type. So okay, good color, good fitting, so no correction, already okay, fitting okay. So guys, welcome to next video. So bye bye.